G'day legends, it's your boy back with another unboxing for you guys to enjoy. Today I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy. So, box, all the different sides, the back, etc. Now you're probably wondering why I'm unboxing a Google TV. Well, yesterday I had to take my PlayStation in because I've had some things in my life change and had to make some rapid changes that I wasn't very impressed with, but it is what it is. Anyway, it's got a little pull tab there. I'm also rocking a new phone, by the way, as well. I didn't unbox it because I had to just quickly jump over to it and whatnot, but 160 bucks from Carl's. Can't complain too much. It's done everything I've wanted it to, and now we're gonna test to see how good it's gonna do videos, because obviously I do YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and whatnot. So yes, all right, we're gonna open the box. Alright, the box is open. I paid $158 for this from Harvey Norman here in Whyalla, so if you wanted to get one, that's how much they are, and that's if you're in Whyalla. Alright, so you open the box, nothing else. You get this. Right, now we're gonna peel this bad boy. Ready? Oh, look at that. Alright. So straight up you get the block to power it, and then you get the remote, the cast itself, as well as the cable that powers it. So you get this little bad boy, you get the batteries for it, the Chromecast itself. Can't believe that cost me $158, man. That's just, I mean, it is brand new, so it is what it is. Then you get that. And then you also get that. So that's more or less all there is. Now, like I said, I bought the Chromecast because I've had some unfortunate events happen in my life, so I had to sacrifice the PlayStation for now. So I won't have any gameplay videos up for a while, just until I get another console, whether that be PlayStation, Xbox, or PC, depending on what I decide to go for at the time and what I can afford at the time I decide to go for, whatever it may be that I go for. But yeah, I'm also filming on a new phone, as you guys can probably tell. The quality is not the greatest, I do apologise, but can't expect much from a $160 phone from Coles. I mean, the phone does everything it's supposed to, and it's a lot faster than what the one I was using, but the one I was using isn't mine, and I do have to give that back, as well as a few other things. But as it stands right now, it is what it is. I'm not too worried about it. I'll bounce back and be able to do gameplay content and whatever. But on the bright side, I still have a mobile device to film videos that don't require a console to film. So anyway, that's going to do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn notifications on so you don't miss a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials, link down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys for the next one. Till then, peace out.